Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about the versatile PDF editor, which is pdfFiller. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about pdfFiller, pdfFiller is a simple yet powerful PDF editor that makes filing forms, signing documents, and editing PDFs incredibly easy. It's cloud-based, so you can access your file anywhere, and its collaboration tools are great for teams. Everything feels fast and professional, perfect for both personal and business use. However, the pricing might feel high for casual user, and handling large file can sometimes be slow. However, pdfFiller is one of the most reliable PDF tools for those who regularly work with documents, but lighter users may want a cheaper alternative. And that's it. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.